In this video, I will show you how to download, install and activate MATLAB on Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. First, check if you are eligible for a student license. Go to the official MATLAB page for students and sign in with your university email. If your university offers a license, you will be able to download MATLAB for free. If not, you can get a 30-day free trial. Once you have verified your eligibility, head to the download section. Choose the latest version of MATLAB and click Download for Windows. Then open the installer file. After you open the installer, sign in with your MathWorks account. If you have a university license, select the option Use a license provided by my university. If you are using a trial version, just sign in with your MathWorks account. Choose the installation directory and click Next. Then, select the toolboxes you want, like Simulink or Deep Learning Toolbox, and click Install. And wait for the installation to complete. Once installation is finished, open MATLAB. Select the option to activate automatically using the internet. MATLAB will verify your university license or trial version. Once it's verified, click Finish and you are ready to use MATLAB. And that's it. Now you can start using MATLAB on your Windows computer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next time. Thanks for watching.